Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for Love with Food. This is the February box and this is the tasting one, so it's a little bit smaller. They do have a deluxe which comes with twice as many snacks. So here's a little card on the inside. And let's take a look at the first one. This is Hers potato chips. And I don't see a flavor or anything. So I guess it's just plain. It says there's salt in it, so love chips. Definitely eat that. Then Stirs. These are the chocolate chip cookies. I've had these before, and actually I just tried some my mom bought. She bought some key lime ones, and they were really good. So these are delicious. I've had those before. Also received from the Mighty Sesame Co. Tahini Bar. Gotten a couple of these in the past, but this one is pistachio flavor, so that one will be new to me. And I don't remember if I like this or not. Sometimes I forget, but I like pistachio, so I'll definitely give that a try. Also have some roasted and salted peanuts. Definitely eat those. This is a 160 calorie pack. Some Welch's fruit snacks. Go perfect for Little Jackson's lunch. And then there are 2 beef sticks, and it looks like they are from different companies. This one, Chomps Chomplings, beef 4 grams of protein, 0 sugar, low calorie snack. There's only 40 calories in that one. And then this one is by Larissa's Kitchen, grass-fed beef. I don't see like the protein and calories on there, but probably pretty comparable, maybe probably a little bit more because that one's bigger, but yeah, all stuff I will definitely eat. I love this little box. If you guys would like to get a subscription, I have a promo code below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!